Hi guys, no matter where you locked, bounce the brain, unlock your dream, and it shows what you were, what you are, and what you will. Fine, for the first time, Kumadwati First Grade College organized online cultural fest Tendril by Literary and Cultural Forum. And our forum intention is dig the skill by using digital skill, and this credit goes to all Tendril events participants. So for this reason, we have executed all 98 students skills in this platform Kumadwati FGC Academy, and moreover we have been uploading academic as well as more than 8 plus cultural videos like Tendril event videos in this platform. So please do watch this or watch all the videos. Well, a very warm welcome to the absolutely wonderful, beautiful, and most excited day, that is result announcement day. And it brings together so many special people like you. Similarly, we have such a great personality, one man army, and pillar of our institution. He is none other than our respected Professor S.S. Gadak sir, successful academic advisor, Swami Vivekananda Vidya Samsthe, Shikarpura. He has an extensive knowledge about the institution, and he has a desire to assist student development from the beginning stage like orientation to the graduation level. I'm extending my gratitude to Professor S.S. Gadak sir, and he is as being the most important and motivational icon to our institution, and especially he is a very supportive role to our event Tendril Dig the Skill. So thanks for being with us as a motivational figure. Let's greet the man who doesn't need any introduction, but he knows among all of us by his wisdom and his knowledge. Our Honorable Principal, Dr. Parashurama T.R., Kumadwati First Grade College, Shikaripura. Sir is going to share his views about our Tendril event.
Dear students, at Kumadati First Grade College, Shikaripura, our students and teaching staffs take part in various activities and online events. As you know well, Tendril 2020 is a special event. It's a supporting hand for 6 different cultural competitions. Total 98 students of 20 various colleges were participated in this event during this COVID-19 lockdown period. I would like to appreciate all the participants for their interest, and also we are thankful to principals of these colleges. A student's loyalty, dedication, and determination made him winner in every field. Awards and recognition recognize a students' ability and efforts, and also lift their self-confidence. In few seconds, today's section is going to reveal all the winners of Tendril 2020.
Yes, memorable and most excited time has arrived. I'm really really lucky to have a supporting faculties in our college, and they only received your event details through email and WhatsApp contact numbers. You know, guys, all judges are well experienced and expertise to the respective fields. We have recommended intellectuals, scholars, professional dancers and artists, entrepreneur and educational to the respective fields. And all judges, they only finalized this result by their creative analysis. Right now, our faculty is going to reveal this result. Let's begin the most awaited session, that is result announcement session. Event 1 Poetry Contest. Gayatri Bhatt, Department of Physics, going to reveal this result.
ಫಸಲುಗೊಂಡು ಕಾವ್ಯ ಸುಧೆಯು ನಾಲ್ವರ ಮನದೊಳಗೊಂಡು ಅವರ ಜ್ಞಾನ ವಿಚಾರಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯ ಸೇರಿರಲು ಇಗೋ ಇಂತಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಗೆದ್ದ 3 ಕವನಗಳು. ಮೊದಲ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಕವನ ಬಿಂಬಸಾರ, ಬರೆದವರು ಕಾವ್ಯ. ಸೂರ್ಯ ಬಿಂಬದ ಸಾರವನ್ನು ಸಾರಿದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪರಿಪಕ್ವ ರೀತಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು. ದ್ವಿತೀಯ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಕವನ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ, ಬರೆದವರು ನಾಗಶ್ರೀ. ಪರಿಸರದ ಸವಿಸ್ತರತೆಯ ಮನುಜನ ಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಸೆದಿರುವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು. ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಟು ದ ಪೊಯಮ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ಆಫ್ ನೇಚರ್ by S.K. Bhargavi. Our congratulations to you for lightening the nature's beauty in your words. Thank you.
Event 2 Dance Culture. Purnima HR, Department of Zoology, going to reveal this result.
Result announcement of Tendril Online Fest Event 2. Third prize goes to Anaga R, LB and SDS College, Sagara. Congratulations. Second prize goes to Rohan GK, Bapuji Institute of High Tech Education, Davangere. Congratulations. And first prize goes to Amruta D, Srimati Indira Gandhi Government First Grade College, Sagara. Congratulations.
Event 3 Art on Future Society. Prashant KH, Physical Education Director, going to announce this result.
Result announcement of Tendril 2020 Online Cultural Fest. Third event Arts and Future Society. Third place goes to Saujanya T, MSB Arts and Commerce College, Davangere. Congratulations. Second place goes to Sandeep HV, Kadamba First Grade College, Siralkoppa. Congratulations. First place goes to Purna Chandra TG, Government First Grade College, Kaduru. Congratulations. Congratulations to all the participants.
Event 4 Sales Contest. I am requesting Akshata S, Department of Commerce, to reveal this result.
Result announcement of the Tendril 2020 Online Fest Event 4, that is Sales Contest. Third prize goes to Sushma Raikar, Kumudvati First Grade College, Shikaripura. Congratulations. Second prize goes to Varun, LB and SBS College, Sagra. Congratulations. And the first prize goes to Jeevan, Ranjit Mahal Gandhi College, Davangere. Congratulations. Once again, congratulations to all the participants. Thank you.
Event 5, Radio City. Ashwini HV, Department of Zoology, going to announce Radio City result. Result announcement of Tendril 2020 Online Cultural Fest. Event 5, Radio City. Third place goes to Meghraj G, Kumadvati First Grade College, Shikaripura. Congratulations. Second place goes to Pushpa, Ranjit Mahal Gandhi College, Davangere. Congratulations. And the first place goes to Shubha, LP and SPS College, Sagra. Congratulations. And once again, congratulations to all participants. Thank you. Event 6, Commentary on Cartoon. I am requesting Sridharji Badigir, Department of Commerce, to announce this result.
Result announcement of Tendril 2020 Online Cultural Fest. Event 6, Commentary on Cartoon. First place goes to Sridhar DJ, LB and SBS College, Sagra. Congratulations. Second place goes to Ashwini S, Bapuji Institute of High Tech Education, Davangere. Congratulations. And third place goes to Chaitra AC, Kumadvati First Grade College, Shikaripura. Congratulations. Congratulations to all the participants. Good evening.
Failure is not the opposite of success, it is the part of a success. Our heartfelt congratulations to all participants because they are a part of this event and they are a part of this success. You know, friends, all participants, they just knock the door of success. It means they are very near to the success, and no doubt at all, we have got 98 creative students from 20 colleges. I am delighted to mention 20 colleges names, and 20 colleges are from Bangalore, Kadur, Hasana, Hubli College and Badami colleges, and 5 colleges from Davangere, 5 colleges from Shivamogga, 2 colleges from Shiralkoppa and 2 colleges from Sagra and 2 colleges from Shikaripura. So I am reminiscing all 20 colleges principals, cultural coordinators and concerned department lecturers for their well response. With their encouragement, we have received 114 registration and 98 students are participated. 13 teams are well organized to this event, and specially we have invited passionate and professional 17 judges for this Tendril event results. An interesting task for a student is how to get together and make a team during this lockdown time. And our students successfully accepted this challenge and make a 13 wonderful team. I am delighted to mention all 13 teams' names. Anvaya team, As Helters, Abhinaya, Believers, Blitzkrieg, Blossoms, Brave-Hearted, Creative Peeps, Kumadvati Kalatmakaru team, Honest Path, Team for a Trust, LB College team, and at the last, final year, Kumadvati team. Among all 13 teams, who has got championship? Yes, Kumadvati First Grade College principal and patron of our event, Dr. Parashurama T.R., going to disclose this championship result.
Tendril 2020 event championship goes to the team the Assaulters, Bapuji Institute of High Tech Education, Davangere. I congratulate all the students and principal of Bapuji Institution of High Tech Education.
You might think that why this result announcement is too late. Yes, it is not a normal fest as conducted in the time of normal days. This is lockdown time. So it's quite different and difficult to analyze and finalize this result. So that's the reason we took some more days to finalize this result. Journey of Tendril. June 1st week, we have planned to conduct this Tendril event. Directly and indirectly, most of our students are involved and they are discussed and designed 6 events to this Tendril Fest. And registration responsibilities are also taken by students. They are our volunteers of this Tendril event. Supporting faculties are Akshata Madam, Purnima Madam, Ashwini Ma'am, Gayatri Ma'am, Nagratna Ma'am, and Sridhar Sir and Mr. Prashant Sir. IQAC Coordinator Dr. Nagraj Sir. All 6 event faculties received event details from student from 15th June to 20th June, and 20th is the last day to receive event details. And after that, all 6 faculties, they are forwarded all student event details to me for a further process. And the real process begins after receiving students event, that is judgment process. Further process are 114 registrations are cross-verified by contacting each and every students, and 98 students events are bifurcated and make 8+ videos, especially separate video for 6 events, and 17 passionate and professional judges are invited. I am extending my gratitude to all 20 college principals, cultural coordinators, concerned department lecturers, and specially 17+ professional and passionate judges. And my special thanks to our college teaching and non-teaching faculties. And I would like to reminiscing all 98 creative students and our college students.